All right, so these shapes are similar. Okay, what does that mean? It means the sides are in proportion, and it means the angles are all the same. Okay, we want to know what is the scale factor. So what am I multiplying the original by to get the copy? And we want to find what x is and what y is. Okay, so let's see here. How did I go from 10 to y? Well, I don't know. How did I go from 16 to get x? What did I multiply to go from 8 to 2? Okay, what did I multiply to go from 14 to 3.5? That's what my scale factor is. So let's take a look at 8 to 2. To go from the original to the copy, what am I multiplying by? Well, the easiest way to figure that out is to divide 2 divided by 8. That's 1/4. So my scale factor here is 1/4. I multiplied 8 by 1/4 to get 2. Let's check 14 and 3.5. 14 times 4 is that, or excuse me, times 1/4, times 1/4. Is that 3.5? Well, let's check. 4 goes into 14 3 times. You get 2 left over. So it looks like 14 times 1/4, which is the same as 14 divided by 4, is 3 2/4, which is 3.5. Okay, so the scale factor here is 1/4, which makes sense because the original is getting smaller. So my scale factor is going to be a number less than 1. Now we need to find x. Okay, well, to find x, we're going to take 16 and multiply it by 1/4. That's 4. To find y, 10 times 1/4, which is the same as 4 into 10, which is 2, and 2/4, which is 2.5. Okay. So this guy is 2.5, and this one is 4. And if we look at some relationships here, 8 and 16, 8 is half of 16. Oh, look, 2 is half of 4. Okay, notice that this number is smaller than that number, this number is smaller than that number, this one is the biggest number, this one is the biggest number for this shape, so they all should sort of match up.